This is the setup I'll be using to test 30 OpenWRT virtual machines using the MQTT protocol to report to a server. This is a Dell 710, quite old boy, but will be more than sufficient. With 2 drives in RAID 1, should be enough. I also got one physical Teltonika TRB256, so that will be interesting to configure and have a look at. Now this main server is running Debian with some GUI on top because it can manage, and it's just for testing. And to nobody's surprise, I'm using the virtual machine manager, and at the moment I got the Hive headquarters. This is where all the data will be collected, the broker, and this is the first node I've got. So I want to configure one, make it as good as possible, and then clone it, and they will all report to the server. See what I can do with some reporting, some remote management for these Teltonikas at least, because you can buy a license from them, but maybe I can build something on my own. Regardless, I'm gonna now show you on my laptop the things I've done so far on this, so I'll be back. Here is the remote desktop, and you can tell the Hive headquarters and the OpenWRT node is running. So now I will show you what's working so far. So I'm going to subscribe to all of the topics. So this is Hive HiQ, and this is the actual node, and it can send the data just brilliantly. There's no issue here whatsoever. The packet is 125 bytes, which is all amazing, and it's all running over the TLS certificate. There's just one problem. I couldn't get the client ID to work at all. This is my biggest kind of hurdle, and even if I add it here, hard code it into the script, it's still not doing anything for it. I've tried the to regenerate the certificates with the tags to have the client ID in, and still no joy. So I kind of don't know what to do about it. I want to try WireGuard and have no certificates at all on the Mosquito, so maybe that will solve the problem and it'll be encrypted via WireGuard and that solves everything. I don't know, but yeah, that's it. Works nicely. It's just I don't have a client ID, and apparently that's a problem if you want to do some access control lists and stuff later on. Anywho, that's it, and thanks for watching.